Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries that lie beyond? What if I told you that the secrets of the universe are not only out there, but also within you? Our journey begins in the intricate web of our brains, where a cosmic canvas is woven, connecting us to the universe itself. Chapter by chapter, we'll delve deeper into the subconscious symphony that plays in our minds, echoing the rhythms of galaxies. Just as stars form constellations in the night sky, neurons form constellations within us, guiding our thoughts and actions. Explore the realm of dreams, where the mind ventures into uncharted galaxies, revealing hidden connections to the universe. Unravel the mysteries of intuition and discover how quantum entanglement may bridge the gap between our thoughts and the universe. Witness the power of collective consciousness, where minds unite to shape the world around us, resonating with the cosmos. Decode the language of symbols that both the universe and our subconscious share, revealing a hidden dialogue between the two. Embark on a journey through synchronicities, where the universe whispers its secrets through meaningful coincidences. Dive into the enigma of the quantum mind, where the tiniest particles might hold the key to understanding our cosmic connection. As our exploration nears its end, we ponder the role of expanded awareness in deepening our connection to the universe. Step into the world of morphic resonance, where the vibrations of our thoughts create ripples that extend beyond the boundaries of our minds. Explore the incredible adaptability of the brain through neuroplasticity, and discover how it mirrors the ever-changing flow of the universe. Unveil the secrets of the pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye, and its role in opening a gateway to cosmic perception. Delve into the energetic language of emotions, and learn how they resonate with universal frequencies, shaping our reality. Unlock the ancient concept of the Akashic records, a cosmic library of information that the mind may tap into, revealing universal truths. Contemplate the idea that as above, so below, as we explore the parallels between the microcosm of our inner world and the macrocosm of the universe. Says in video, journey into the theta states of consciousness and the astral realms, where the mind explores dimensions beyond the physical. In their latest video, challenge the boundaries of perception through the observer effect, where our consciousness interacts with the universe, influencing its very nature. Uncover the alchemical transformations that occur within our minds, paralleling the ancient pursuit of transmutation and enlightenment. Our exploration reaches its culmination, leaving us with the realization that the dialogue between the conscious mind and the cosmos is an eternal dance. Dive into the quantum field of intention, where our focused thoughts interact with the universe, shaping the fabric of reality. Reflect on the concept of neural mirroring, where our brain's mirror neurons resonate with the universe's patterns, fostering understanding and empathy. Explore the profound connections between sacred geometry and the brain's architecture, suggesting a universal blueprint that shapes our existence. Discover the resonance between our thoughts and the universe's vibrations, and how aligning them can manifest harmony and abundance. Witness the parallel journeys of cosmic and neural evolution, as stars and our brains both unfold into intricate patterns of existence. Decipher the role of subconscious symbols in our lives, and how they serve as bridges between our inner world and the cosmic realm. Embark on the meditative path that opens a gateway to cosmic consciousness, allowing us to explore the universe within. Empower yourself with the principles of neurocosmology, using the knowledge of our subconscious connection to shape your own destiny. Dive into the concept of transcending time, where the brain's connection to quantum timelessness hints at our capacity for limitless perception. Contemplate the idea of eternal recurrence, where the cyclic patterns in our minds mirror the universe's cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. As our exploration of the profound connection between the brain and the universe comes to a close, remember that the journey of discovery is never ending. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected as we continue to unravel the mysteries that bind us to the cosmos.